Is everything okay?
Are we done? Is this it?
Yeah, I mean, what's wrong? You like it?
Like, this is all that we're doing?
Yeah, that's what we agreed to, right? Cat eye and marble and snowflake?
This is not the right shade.
What do you mean?
I asked for deep red. This is deep red. It does not match my dress. My prom dress?
But we agreed to this color in the beginning.
Can we change the color a bit to match my dress?
Girl, it's really late. I mean, I spent like 2 hours on your nails.
But I have prom, and it needs to match my dress.
Okay, I thought you agreed to this color, and you say we were fine with
This
it.
is not the color I asked. I needed a deep red, and this is too deep. It needs to match my dress completely. This is my senior prom. Like, I can't have different color nails than my dress. My date and all my friends are gonna see, and I'm gonna look like a clown. We can just redo them. It'll be fine.
No, we won't. Because you agreed to this, and it took me a lot of work forming this art, and it looks amazing. And you should have said something when we applied the first coat. But
When you applied the first coat, it looked like a different shade. It doesn't match my dress. I mean, they're not the same. I mean, I'm gonna have to get them redone. I mean, how am I gonna go to prom with different color nails?
you're gonna be okay, hon. I mean, it's just prom. I mean,
This is my senior. It's not just prom. It's my senior prom. It's a big deal. Everyone's gonna be there.
Look,
everyone's gonna see that my nails are different colors.
you're gonna go back 10 years from today. You're gonna show at the reunion. Half of the people you're gonna see at prom are not gonna show up. I guarantee you, you're gonna be all right. And especially it's dark, they won't even notice the color of your nails and the dress.
No, everyone's gonna notice. Like the photos, they're all gonna look wrong now, and everything's messed up. We need to redo them. They need to be a different color.
Man, I feel bad for your date. Whoever you taking to prom, or whoever's taking you to prom, they can deal with you. I'm not dealing with you right now.
I'm paying for these.
I
can't
know.
pay for these.
You need to pay me,
I
regardless.
can't pay for them. These aren't the right color. This
you,
is not what I
you
asked.
pay me. Is your mom here?
This
Or
is not what I
is your
asked
dad?
for. This is not what I asked for. It's completely wrong color, and now my dress is ruined. My whole prom is ruined.
Your prom's not gonna be ruined, honey. I mean, look, you actually ruin your own prom right now. You literally ruin your own prom right now.
I think
You are
ruined
like
it.
no, you ruin your own prom right now because this looks clean and you're tripping over the colors of your dress and your nails.
It's a big deal. Everyone's gonna notice. It's not just me. Anyone could tell this is not the right color at all.
Well, you can come back tomorrow and pay for another set because we're not doing it tonight.
Pay for another one?
Yep.
I don't get a refund.
Why would I give you a refund? You never pay me.
These are the wrong. This is the wrong color.
Refunds when you pay me something. You didn't pay me anything. Technically, you owe me money.
I can't pay you for these. I didn't ask for this.
Oh, you're gonna pay me for that? Is your mom or your dad here? Like, who's gonna pay for this? Because I'm not dealing with you no more.
No, I'm not paying for
You
these.
immature son of a bitch.
Hey, were you that tech that did my girl's nails?
What girl?
My daughter came in last week, she was going to prom, and you did not match her nails to her dress. Like, what the hell, dude?
She picked the color, not me.
Okay, but did you check her dress to see what color it was so you can match it? Because, that's what, every nail tech should
Well,
do.
she's the one who picked the color. And we spent hours looking at colors, and she finally said, "Oh, this is the right one." And then when we put it on, it was just a slightly different shade. And she told me that I ruined her prom.
Yes, you did. Okay, she went to prom. Okay, you gotta know one thing. My daughter goes to school in clothes, and she was trying to impress one of the main cheerleaders, and the cheerleader just told her that that dress was not matching her nails, and she even took her boyfriend home that night. Dude, you ruined her prom.
How the hell did I ruin her prom?
Well,
Are you
matched
crazy?
the nails. Okay, dude,
You're a psycho parent,
I
aren't
gotta
you?
fix, man. Okay, why don't you give my wife a discount next time she comes?
No, I'm not doing your family's nails. You crazy, dude.
All right, you want to do that? Okay.
Why would
fine
I
then.
give you a discount?
I'm gonna go on Yelp. I'm gonna give you a 1 star, and I'm gonna say that this shop got roaches, dude. Because you're
Man,
not
get
gonna
out
do
of
my
my
girl
shop,
like that,
dude. You are crazy. Get
Dude,
out
what
of
the
my
hell,
shop.
dude? Crazy Asian.
You seem very happy today.
Last couple of days ago, a girl came in saying I ruined her prom because I didn't match the color of her nail. And then the other day, the father came in and yelling at me and everything, and I had to chase him off with a sandal. It was just horrible experience. Yeah.
That sounds really familiar.
What do you mean?
Well, my daughter went to prom and she got her nails done by a guy, and she said the same thing, that he ruined her nails.
Really?
The color.
Did she have like the red stripe and the gold flakes on it?
Yeah. Wait, did you do my daughter's nails too?
Wait, that's your daughter?
I think so. Is this her?
Yes, oh, that's your daughter?
Wait, what do you mean my husband came down here?
You didn't know about that? Yeah,
No.
he came in confronting me, saying that I ruined his daughter's prom, and he came in asking for a discount for you. Like, he's like, give you a discount. And I didn't know that was your husband?
That is crazy.
Really?
I'm gonna beat his ass. And hers.
Yeah, he was embarrassing. I mean, honestly, I never seen a man who came in and trying to ask for a discount and all that, but that's your husband?
I'm embarrassed to admit it, but yes.
I might not even want to do your nails anymore because your family's been stressing me out.
Well, hold on, wait a minute. You can't hold what my husband and my daughter do against me.
Unless they come in and apologize to me, because there's no way.
Apologize?
Yeah, because they
Well, wait, did you ruin my baby girl's prom?
No, I did not. She ruined her own prom, and she got dumb on prom too.
Oh, well.
Yeah, but it's the
I don't
husband's
know about
crazy.
the apology
I don't know
thing.
why
That
you're married to
seems-
him.
I don't understand why you wouldn't see me over something they would do.
Because unless they come in and stop stressing me out, because all this discounts drive me crazy.
Well, I'm going to need you to finish this, and we'll discuss them apologizing later.
Well, I finished it today, but I might not take you in the future, because that's stressful.
Well, we'll have to see what we're going to do about this apology.
Hi, is there anything I can help you, ma'am?
Yes. Are you the manicurist that did my great niece's nails and ruined her prom?
I did her nails, but I did not ruin her prom.
You spoke to my sister and chased her out with a broom?
She was being really mean to me, and honestly, she came in asking for free nail, and that's uncalled for.
Well, you were not very nice to her, and you did ruin my great niece's prom by mismatching her nails, and it was really, really an upsetting moment. The prom is very important to my family and to my niece in particular. You really did ruin her prom.
But she's the one who picked the color, not me.
Well,
she picked the color of her dress, and the prom is over, isn't it? Why you guys are still here?
It'll never be over for her. It ruined her life.
So what do you guys want from me? Why are you here? Great aunt?
I want you to apologize to my family.
I didn't owe you guys nothing. And I think you should leave.
I think you should be considerate.
You know what?
Time.
Are you gonna leave or not? Huh? You gonna leave? Yes or no?
Come on up. Hey, all I was asking for is some kindness. You don't have to go up.
Yeah, I'm glad I booked an appointment with you.
Why is that?
My sister's been coming home and just talking crap, talking about
Wait.
how you ruined her prom.
Wait, hold on. You're her sister?
Yeah, my sister's the one that came in and you ruined her prom with the nail color you picked.
Oh my God. I hope you're not here to cause trouble, because it's been stressful. Grandma even came in trying to ask for free nails. So,
No, I'm really glad I came in. I think you're doing a great job and I think the nails look good.
okay.
I'll have to talk to her when I get home. I think you're doing a great job. It was probably her fault, not yours.
Oh man, I'm so glad that you able to see that, because it's been stressing me out. Like, I really give it my best, and yeah, I just hope she doesn't think that I ruined her prom and ruined her whole life and all that. You know what I mean? It's just been stressful.
Yeah, I'll tell her to calm down and stop running her mouth so much.
Thank you, because wow, you know, you're actually the smartest one in the family. And your mom too. Your mom was pretty cool, you know, but I just don't know about your grandma and your sister and your dad. I mean, seems a little bit low life for coming at me like that.
Well, she has been saying a lot of stuff when she comes home, and she's been pretty upset. So I could understand my dad, but Grandma's just always on one.
She still got dumped?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, hey.
Hey, you remember me? I came and got my nails done, my prom nails, the one that's you messed up.
How the hell do you find where I
Hey,
live?
it's okay, don't worry. I just wanted to come here and say like I'm sorry. Like you posted that video of me and now everyone's like saying I'm a brat and like saying like calling me all these mean things, saying like I'm a horrible person and like.
Well, you are.
What? I mean, I think I was like reasonable. I don't think I overreacted
Reasonable?
that much.
You brought your whole family.
I just wanted to apologize, you know, and you know I was also like wondering if like you can like fix my nail.
What?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's fine if you fix them because
The
like
hell happened to
you were
your
able
nails?
to do it right the first time.
You lost a whole fingernails.
No, I mean
What
that's
the heck
because
is
of your
this?
nails. They were all done wrong. So I mean, I think you should fix it.
that's not
I don't
done
think I
wrong.
have to pay because like you messed it up.
Bro, you lost your whole nail.
It's
Your whole freaking nail
This
is
has
gone.
never happened. Like I get my nails done and they never break, and like I get them done by you and now they're broken. So I think you should fix them.
You know what? Just get out of here.
What? Wait.
Yeah.